Hi, myself Dr. Mohsina, Ayurmana Ayurveda and Panchakarma Center, Dubai, Silicon Oasis. Pregnancy is a beautiful journey for the creation of a new miracle. The pregnancy period is very joyful for some, and at the same time it creates some discomfort for some other person, like dizziness, nausea, back pain, stretch marks, the hyperpigmentation, acidity, constipation, etc. This pregnancy period problems we can manage with adopting some lifestyle changes along with some exercise. Coming to the food habits, try to avoid overeating, try to eat homely food, easily digestible, vitamin rich, mineral rich foods, and also it is better to avoid or reduce the intake of stimulants like tea, coffee, etc. And alcohol and smoking should be completely avoided. Coming to the practicing things, we can do minor exercises, stretching exercises, pranayamas, and also some yogasanas are advisable during pregnancy. Habits like reading, hearing music, chanting mantras can keep the mind calmful for both mother and child. Thank you.